Good day, everyone. My name is Manasa Bagja, and I am here with my fellow researchers Ahmad Fauji, Muhammad Ghani Bayhaqi Darussalam, and Garula Muhammad Sulanegara. We represent the Indonesian University of Education in Purwakarta, Indonesia. Today, I will present our research on Gigabit Passive Optical Network (GPON) technology in fiber to the home FTTH network design at the Benteng Mutiara Mas residential area Purwakarta. To begin with, the need for fast and stable internet continues to grow in Indonesia with 62.10% of the population online since 2021, Sutarsi, 2021, Spitrianto, 2022. Moreover, existing system face issues like limited speed and interference, highlighting the need for advanced technology used 2020. Additionally, the shift from copper to fiber optic cable aimed to enhance data transfer performance and meet growing user demand, Wahyudi 2021. In this context, FTTH enable high-speed internet by directly connecting home to service provider via fiber optic cable, Fitri 2021, Wijaya 2018. Furthermore, the design of FTTH network required effective planning using GPON technology capable of delivering speeds over 1 Gbps. Finally, this study aimed to design a GPON-based FTTH network in Benteng Mutiara Mas, Purwakarta, utilizing tools like System for Performance Analysis and Feasibility Assessment. Research methodology. This study employs the research and development R&D methodology aimed at development new product or enhance existing ones using the ADDIE model comprising analysis, design, development, implementation, and evaluation. We ensure a systematic and iterative approach. 1. Analysis. We assess potential installation site for the FTTH network in Benteng Mutiara Mas using Google Earth and field survey to identify suitable household. 2. Design. We create a high-level design HLD for mapping and a low-level design LLD through file verification to ensure an accurate network layout. 3. Development. We detail the network structure from the optical line termination OLT to each optical network terminal ONT and identify optimal location for optical distribution point ODP. 4. Implementation. Using OptiSystem software, we develop the 5 FTTH network telecom standard. Recalibrating any design shortcoming to meet performance specification. 5. Evaluation. We assessment performance in OptiSystem, analyzing power link budget, rise time, signal to noise ratio (SNR), and bit error rate (BER). Confirming the network feasibility for reliable internet service in the area. Now, let's delve into the next section, which focus on the research object characteristic. The research object characteristic for the study on the FTTH network in Perumahan Benteng Mutiara Mas, Purwakarta, encompass several key elements. This study is centered on the design and implementation of a fiber to the home FTTH network utilizing GPON technology, specifically with a residential area in Purwakarta, West Java, Indonesia. The research involved a comprehensive analysis of the total number of houses suitable for FTTH installation, determined through detailed file survey and observation using Google Earth. Important geographical factors such as the distance between hosts and the location of optical distribution point (ODP) significantly influence the network design and installation process. Additionally, the study evaluates various technical specifications related to network performance, including parameter like attenuation, rise time, as signal to noise ratio, and bit error rate, all crucial for assessing the feasibility and efficiency of the FTTH network within the specific area. Next, data analysis technique. A systematic approach was taken using observational data from Benteng Mutiara Mas. This data covered geographical detail like the total number of houses, inter-houses distance, and the layout from optical line termination to optical network terminal, ensuring compliance with PT Telkom FTTS standard. Next, data analysis technique. In this study, several data analysis metric were calculated to assess the FTTH network performance. The power link budget was determined using the formula PR PT minus E dot. For the rise time metric indicated the system ability to handle high speed data transmission as it reflects how quickly the signal can rise. We use the formula. The signal noise to ratio SNR was calculated as follow, where P signal represent the signal power and P noise represent the noise power. Higher SNR values indicate better signal clarity and performance. The bit error rate was calculated as this metric quantifies the error rate in data transmission, reflecting the overall reliability of the network system. The formula used bar NA per NT. In these slides, result the powering budget analysis for the FTTH network in Benteng Mutiara Mas. One, ONT position, the table show the location of optical network termination relative to their optical distribution point. Nearest ONT 10.67 km from UDP1, middle UNT 10.82 km from UDP 102, partners UNT 11.47 km from UDP 172. To power level, nearest UNT calculate PRX minus 23.77 dBm, simulated minus 23.954 dBm. The middle UNT calculate PRX minus 23.87 dBm, simulates minus 24.041 dBm. Further UNT calculate PRX minus 23.87 dBm, simulate minus 24.041 dBm. All UNT main acceptable power level for effective performance confirm the feasibility of the FTTH network in this area. And then result the rise time analysis for the FTTH network. One, UNT position, the table detail the rest time this system for each optical network terminal in relation to their optical distribution point. Nearest UNT in UDP1 0.288 nanosecond, 0.29 nanosecond in middle, and furthers ONT in ODP 100 72 0.294 nanoseconds. Analysis. The rise time values indicate the speed at which the signal transition with all ONT showing minimal and acceptable rise time for efficient data transmission. And next, result of the signal to noise ratio analysis. One, nearest ONT in UDP1. The SNR is approximately 49.58 for dB. Middle UNT in ODP 102. The SNR is nearly 49.58 PIF dB. Further, Father's UNT in UDP 172. The SNR measure around 49.584 dB. Unless result of the bit error rate analysis for the FTTH network in Benteng Mutiara Mas 1 nearest ONT in ODP1, the bear is approximately 7.4767 time 10 to the power of negative 10. Middle ONT in ODP 102, the bear is about 6.883 4 times 10 to the power of negative 9. Father's ONT in UDP 172, the bear measure around 2.93993 times 10 to the power of negative 9. These bear values indicate the network maintain very low error rates across all UNT position, suggesting a robust and reliable connection. Low bear, low bear is essential for ensuring high quality data transmission, which is vital for delivering effective internet service in the Benteng Mutiara Mas area. And then discussion. In discussion, the discussion evaluate key metric from the FTTH network performance analysis, highlighting the power link budget remain within PT Telkom standard with attenuation observed between negative 23 decibel and negative 25 decibel, effect, effectively managing signal strength over distance. The rise time measuring between 0.28 nanosecond and 0.294 nanosecond. Confirm the network capability to support high-speed data transmission, staying well within the acceptable threshold of 0.56 nanosecond. The signal to noise ratio SNR values above 40 decibel demonstrates high signal clarity, reducing noise interference, and ensuring stable data transmission under various conditions. Furthermore, the bit error rates ranging between 10 to the power of negative 12 and 10 to the power of negative 9 reflect a reliable and stable network capable of supporting real-time application with minimal error. Collectively, this metric affirm the FTTH network design quality and performance red lines for development at Perumahan Benteng Mutiara Mas. In conclusion, the performance analysis of FTTH network design utilizing parameters such as the power link budget, trace time budget, signal to noise ratio, and bit error rate indicates that the design meets the required visibility visibility standard. Each analyzed parameter yield value that align with the specification set forth by PT Telkom, demonstrating adherence to established guidelines. The design and implementation of the GPON-based FTTH network exhibit adequate quality and performance to meet the communication need within the Perumahan Benteng Mutiara Mas area. This network design effective effectively addresses the communication requirements of residents, ensuring reliable and efficient access to digital service. Then, thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.